10 minutes already. I used already 10 minutes of this side Benticam. So this is second part of this problem. So I already wrote the equation about resultant vector 2. So let me explain again. Here a minus a cosinus alpha, it is x second x, and a sinus alpha, it is second y, second y. So we already found the two equations, the main two equations, but we should not forget about this part. C plus F vector is 10 times larger than the magnitude of C minus F vector. What does it mean? It means that R1 equal to 10 times R2. First resultant vector equal to 10 times resultant vector 2, second resultant vector. So here C plus F vector is 10 times larger than C minus F vector. So let me again here write the two main equations, but some changes. So here L1 square will equal to 10 L2 square. So it will be 100 L2 square equal to here L1x a plus a cosinus alpha square plus a sinus alpha square. And about second equation, it will be like this, no changes. So L2 second resultant vector square equal to a minus a cosinus alpha square plus a sinus alpha square. So here we can divide these two equations, right? Divide. So here we can remove this. So here will 1, and we need to solve this little equation. But first of all, let me just solve these equations, and it will equal to like this. But here it is. But here there is a minus. So first of all, let me solve this. So let's open a square plus 2a square cosinus alpha plus a square cosinus square alpha, and plus a square sinus square alpha. Here I want to show about this part. What we can see. We all know about this equation that cosinus square alpha plus sinus square alpha will equal to always 1. So here 1 and just leave and here a square will leave just a square because here I just say about this. So here we also have a square, here a square, and it will be 2a square plus 2a square cosinus alpha. And let's continue. Here again 2a square and 2a square. We just can write in this way 2a square times in brackets plus 1 plus here 1 left plus cosinus alpha. And here where minus, it will be the same equation, but here will be minus. So what can I do? So let me pause and open one more page. Okay. So here we can get this equation. Okay. So here I said that we left 100 and not 100 divided 1, and here for this equation 2a square in bracket 1 plus cosinus alpha, and here in order to not to waste our time I said that here it will be exactly like this, but here we need to change for minus to minus because here minus. So the last equation that we need to solve. So here I remove these two parts. So what we get, we can just solve this with proportional. So 100 in brackets 1 minus cosinus alpha equal to here 1. I can just not to write, so 1 plus cosinus alpha. Sorry, it is really freezing. And here we need to open the bracket, so it will be 100 minus 100 cosinus alpha. Here, here it is just 1 plus cosinus alpha. Cosinus alpha. So let me write just the last